Oh, let's go to Higgledy House.
Time for Higgledy House.
Oh, Higgledy Piggledy House. Higgledy Piggledy House. Higgledy Piggledy Piggledy Higgledy Higgledy Piggledy House.
Hello, Sarah Jane.
Are you going to make a film?
Who's going to be in your film? Justin, are you going to be in Sarah Jane's film?
Why don't you take turns?
Who's going to go first?
Why don't you do something together?
finished making your film? Are you going to watch it now? Is something wrong?
You forgot to turn the camera on, didn't you?
You can't watch yourselves now, can you?
Ah, you can watch yourselves in Higgledy House.
Bye, Sarah Jane. Bye, Justin. Higgle, giggle! Giggle time! Time for more Higgledy House. Paddle, 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 paddling pool.
Oh, Higgledy Piggledy house. Higgledy Piggledy house. Higgledy Piggledy Piggledy Higgledy Higgledy Piggledy house.
Hello, Justin. Hello, Sarah Jane. Are you too hot? You can keep cool in a paddling pool. You're going to get a paddling pool. A paddling pool. You need to pump it up and put water in it first. Justin is not a snake. It's a foot pump. It's got a puncher. Oh, Justin, you're a paddling pool doctor. paddling pool doctor too. You've got to put water in it first. Oh, Justin, you've wet Sarah Jane. Sarah Jane, you so Justin. Wow, it's ready. You're nice and warm now, aren't you? Bye-bye, Justin. Bye-bye, Sarah Jane. Bye-bye, feet.
Oh, Higgledy Piggledy house. Higgledy Piggledy house. Higgledy Piggledy Piggledy Higgledy Higgledy Piggledy house.
Show me your magic.
Get ready to dance with Boogie Babies on CBeebies on BBC Two. Next.
Everyone's getting ready for Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
I have to collect the Greendale Christmas tree.
So where is Ajay and the tree?
The line's blocked.
I'll go and look for him. I can't make it through this snow. I need Pumpkin to go and find them.
This is one delivery Postman Pat has to make. Will they get back in time for Christmas? A Postman Pat special for Christmas Eve at 10 or 4 on CBeebies.
CBeebies, share the magic.
We asked you to send in your Speedy BB pictures, and you sent in your trains, your bikes, your buses, your cars, your boats, and your aeroplanes. And now they're all racing along to make an even bigger Speedy BB. A revving race car! Now that's a very, very Speedy BB. But what Speedy BB is big enough to carry our race car? My Speedy BB truck, of course!
Where are you going today, Nat?
Well, we're gonna bop with some penguins.
Slip, slap, flip, flap, one, line hop. That's the way to do the penguin bouncy bop.
Penguins are rather funny looking birds. They can't fly, but they're fantastic swimmers. Their bodies are slippery and smooth, and their wings, they're more like fins. Take a look at their feet. They're webbed, just like duck's feet. Webbed feet work best in the water, but on the land, they're quite funny. The penguins just slap and slap and slap their feet on the ground as they walk. Hey, that could be our first move. We can slap our feet on the ground too, just like the penguins. Let's start with this leg. Slap it on the ground in front, and then slap it behind. Let's try that again. Slip, slap, flip, flap. Now this time while we're doing it, let's hold out our penguin wings like this. Slip, slap, flip, flap. Yes, can you do that? Don't forget to hold out your penguin wings. Slip, slap, flip, flap. Now let's see what other moves the penguins have to show us.